In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get code from Base44. We're going to walk through the exact path inside Base44 so you can export your project's code as a zip file. I'll also point out a couple of things to watch for so you don't get stuck. Start by opening Base44 in your browser and signing into the workspace where your project lives. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on, because the app you're looking for won't appear otherwise. Once you're in, head to the apps section. You'll find it in the main navigation. This view lists the applications available in your workspace. If you have a lot of apps, it can help to use the search bar or filter to narrow things down to My Apps, so you only see what you can manage. Next, select the app named TeamFlow, click straight into it from the apps list. Opening the app places you in its editor or preview area where project level actions are available. If you don't see TeamFlow here, double check that you have the right workspace selected and that you have access to the app. Inside the app, look for the option to export project as zip. This action packages the project's code into a single downloadable archive. Think of it as a snapshot of the source needed to work with your project outside Base44. When available, the export will begin preparing your zip. Depending on project size, it may take a moment. Keep your browser tab open while it processes. If, instead of exporting, you're prompted to upgrade, that's expected. Exporting code is typically part of a paid plan. In that case, click on Upgrade Your Plan. Follow the on-screen instructions to select the plan that includes code export. If you're part of a team, ensure your account has the right permissions to make plan changes. Otherwise, ask a workspace admin to complete this step. After the upgrade completes, return to the app and the export project as zip option should be enabled. When the export finishes, your browser will download the zip file to your default downloads folder. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's downloads panel or your system's downloads directory. It's a good idea to note the file name and location so you can find it quickly later. That's the complete flow. Open Base44, go to Apps, choose TeamFlow, export the project as a zip, and upgrade your plan if prompted. With that, you'll have your project code packaged and ready for your next steps.